volcano that likes to hide, a tiny isle where sparks reside. Peak, it's tall volcano. Wow, it's like a puzzle.
What's that road with stones so old? Horse carts clip and tales are told. Lanterns glow with yellow gold. Peak, it's Kyrgyzstan. Whoa, like time travel.
Found them here and bright, history and height. Ttuttu hops Maya sways. Let's go peek again.
What's that splash with colors blue? Water dancing just for you. Fishy sparkle swimming through. Peak, it's Kawas and Falls. Let's jump in.
What's that tall and wrapped in mist? Trees that curl and birds that twist. A mountain giant with nature kissed. Peak, it's Mount up high. Yikes, so high up.
Found them cool and tall. We peeked through it all. Ttuttu claps, Maya spins.
Let's go peek again.
What's that blue and glowing bright, deeper than the morning light? Where do fishes hide from sight? Peak, enchanted river.
Oh my, it's magic!
What's that made of stone and grace? Bricks that stand in every place. A church that hugs the earth's embrace. Peak, it's Powie Church. Wow, it's strong and grand.
Found them deep and wide. Let's peek far inside. Ttuttu waves, Maya flies. Let's go peek again. We peeked and we found joy all around. Ttuttu waves, Maya too. See you next time. Peekaboo.
What's that grand and golden wide? Stairs and art on every side. Painting shine with royal pride. Peak, it's Hermitage.
Oh my, so grand. What's that mountain in the snow? Smoke that rises from below. Hot and cold in one big show. Peak, come check us far. Yikes, it's huge. Found them both.
golden stones you hold in hand. Shells and sea all look so grand. Peak amber treasures, they glow.
What's that glowing in the sky? Dancing lights that float up high. Purple, green, and twinkles fly. Peak northern lights.
Wow, they swirl.
Lights and colors bright. Such a lovely sight. Ttuttu twirls, Sasha beams. Let's go peek again. We peeked and we found magic all around. Ttuttu waves, Sasha too. See you next time, peekaboo. What's that standing in the sky? Clouds are swirling way up high. Cable cars go zooming by. Peek! It's Fansipan! Woo! So tall! What's that winding through the rocks? Boats are gliding past the flocks. Echoes bouncing off the blocks. Peek! It's Trangan Caves! Oh my, so cool! Found them calm and wide. Let's take a boat ride. Ttuttu hums, Helong grins. Let's go peek again.
What's that red and soft and high? Sliding down, we laugh and fly. Is that desert in the sky? Peek! It's Moina Hills!
Whee!
We roll!
What's that floating full of fruit? Boats with mangoes, hats so cute. Shouting voices, lively route. Peek! It's the river market. Yippee! Let's shop. Juicy snacks and sales. Peekaboo with tails. Ttuttu claps, Helong hops. Let's go peek again. What's that shining in the night? Dragging face that glows so bright. Wait! It breathes out firelight. Peek! It's Da Nang Bridge. Yikes! It roars.
What's that blooming all around? Petals dancing without sound. Colors swirling on the ground.
Peek! It's Dalat's blooms. Wow! So sweet. Petals, lights, and roars. Vietnam gives us more. Ttuttu spins, Helong beams. Let's go peek again. We peeked and we found
Fun all around.
Ttuttu waves, Helong too.
See you next time.
Peekaboo.
shaped like a flower bright, shining pure and glowing white, so quiet, calm, and round and wide. Peak, the Lotus Temple.
Whee! So smooth. Found them pink and bright. Peek-a-boo delight. Ttuttu claps, Ellie hops. Let's go peek again. What's that high on hills so blue? Walls that stretch with royal view. Echoes bounce when we say hi. Peak, Meranger Fort. Oh my, so big.
What's carved deep inside a rock? Rooms and pillars in a block. Statues hiding in the shade. Peak, Elora Caves. Yikes! So cool!
Found them carved and tall. Magic through the wall. Ttuttu jumps, Ellie twirls. Let's go peek again. What's so tall with colors bright? Towers glowing day and night. Patterns painted up so high. Peak, Issyk-Kul Temple. Yippee, so grand.
What's that floating like a dream? Boats with flowers in a stream. Mountains watching from the sky. Peak, Dalat Lake below.
Ooh, so calm. Found them soft and sweet. Wonders at our feet. Ttuttu waves, Ellie sways. Let's go peek again. We peeked and we found fun all around. Ttuttu laughs, Ellie too. See you next time. Peekaboo. What's that shining blue and white? Boats are bobbing side to side. Mountains hug it every side. Peak, it's Issyk-Kul. Whoa, so clear.
What's that green with streams below? Snowy caps with trees that grow. Foxes peak and rivers flow. Peak, it's Ala Arca.
Wow, so wild. Found them big and bright. Peekaboo delight. Ttuttu hops, Ala grins. Let's go peek again.
What's that place with fruits so red? Smells of bread and nuts are spread. Colors swirl around your head. Peak, it's Ash Bazaar.
Yum, so sweet. What's that standing tall and round? Made of bricks on ancient ground. Old and wise without a sound. Peak, it's Burana. Oh, so tall. Found them old and new. Peeking just with you. Ala leaps, Ttuttu spins. Let's go peek again.
What's that high with snowy hats? Yaks and goats and cozy flats. Clouds so close they kiss your hats. Peak, it's Tien Shan.